This 2012 Jayco Melbourne 29C is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 31 feet 4 inches in length and features a silver interior, sleeps 6, DVD player, slide-out, external shower, awning, self-contained, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, microwave, TV, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features couples coach, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2012 Jayco Melbourne 29C is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.